natin.
Some of you guys, I think I'm in the but I'm not.
Para kompleto lang yung mga stock mo.
I'm in the
Buti nga,
Philippines.
pero kung yung check, buti nga na-check mo yung EPA, hindi naman na nakakita tayo. Pero ikaw naman ang gumagawa ng resibo nila, di ba?
Oo.
Mabuti nakita ko.
Nung inaabot ko na yung order, basta
Yeah, he would might not like it.
buti ka mo, hindi ko ginaya. Yung mga ibang kanete, meron ulo ko eh. Pag wala kang kwenta mo, tapos dalawa binigay ko.
Wala sa isip ko eh.
Paalala mo, paalala mo yung ulit na. Ganun din yung ako sa siya.
By the way, this is my dad. You already saw him.
Tapos paikutin lang lang natin.
Yeah.
Araw-araw naman nakatama yung order sa'yo eh.
Oo, pag ganyan mo
Also,
nila nila.
also, yeah, he's being racing.
Yung gabi ko lang
I'm having a great time and look at this car. Yeah.
Nakapasok po ba yung isa? Yung naka ano? Yung isang lalaki mo nung nakapasok, di ba? Elementary? Hindi. Yung pasako ko sa bahay yung isa.
It was not made from me.
Elementary no?
It was made from my brother's, I think. I mean, who's Nels?
Anak naman ni Ate Jane mo.
By the way, who the heck even is Nelson?
Hindi ko nung binigay lang nagbigay ng banshare yung lola mami nyo. Hindi ko papatuloy yung isa sa inyo. Yung isa sa inyo, mag-abangan na lang kayo.
Alis na ba?
Ate, parehas pa ka.
Nagsabay pa.
Nagsabay.
Napasok.
Archer.
Pasok.
Pero kahit pa.
Anyway, guys,
Yung perpetual, saan yun?
Sa
the
JB.
like
Yun naman, kalahati lang binabayaran ko kasi party
and
siya ng bahay.
subscribe.
Ah, yung isa mo yung kay Ate Jane?
Yung
Babae?
Yun ang panganay eh. Babae. Panganay yung babae.
Yan yung nagbabanday ngayon.
Please do
Oo,
it.
yan.
By the way, if you find my
Kami lang naman yan lumalaya sa
channel,
training.
it's really real. I'm not AI.
Naglalaro
And
rin
you
kasi
can subscribe. I'm already 350. Oh my god, thank you guys so much. I'm gonna make a video of that. Don't worry. When I'm off my dad's phone, when I'm in my dad's house, it's because my mom and dad fight. Once again. And last night when I was sleeping, mom said only oh, by the way, the video's about to end. So, bye-bye guys. See
Oo, sila
ya.
dyan pala.
Bye-bye.
Tropang na ito ang kalaban natin.
Hope you enjoyed this video.
Yun lang talaga
Bye-bye.
mga kasalubong mo. Sila